Oh man, it's nighttime, it's dark already. Can't use my GoPro. What is that? The Lume Cube 2.0? What is this? Let's open the box and find out. Lume Cube 2.0. What's in the box? Let's see. Well, first of all, it's a powerful portable studio quality light for photo and video. Open me to see what's inside. Ooh. Ah. Lume Cube light. Modification frames for gel. Magnetic warming gel. Magnetic diffusing gel. DSLR shoe mount, and a USB-C cable. Yeah. You can read all that stuff when you buy your own. Let's see, how do I get this open? I want this out now. Ooh, I guess that means I own it now. There we go. There we go. Hopefully it got some charge. I've seen some people use it online. Okay, so power and the minus. So let's see this one. Put it on. Hopefully you got some charge. Okay, am I supposed to hold it down for a few seconds? Oh, don't tell me it comes out of the box dead. Oh, bugger. It comes out of the box dead. So, what we're going to do uses USB-C. So, we can do something simple. Let's see, what else we got in here? Okay, these are the gels. There we go. Soften the light up a little bit, change the tone. I guess this is the mounting bracket. How's it go? How's it go? Does it go on here at all? Should go on here. Okay. I guess it goes like that. I'm wrong. Okay, we'll deal with that in a minute. First, we need power in here. So I'm not going to use their cable. I'm just going to plug this in here. How do I know it's charging? I don't know it's charging. But let's see, will it cut on? There we go. Now we got the light. Kind of bright. And there's supposed to be several stages, they said. So let's see. I guess that's the first. Second. Third. Fourth. I won't blind you. Yes, I will. Ooh, and everything goes dark. Okay. So, next step is figure out how I get this piece on so that I can throw the filters on. Well, not the filters, but the gels on. Diffusion light. Because if I'm walking down the street or I have this in my car, this is way too bright. Oh, actually, let me turn it down some. And hold it down to turn it off. Yep. Okay. So that's interesting. It didn't come charged. I don't know if that's because they don't want people sending things with batteries in them with because for explosion, but it came dead in the water. Interesting. So let's look at this again. Okay, see, so it sits on it like that. Right here is where I'm looking. Okay, well, let's see if we'll find some documentation. Oh. Okay, so here's the cold shoe, or the hot shoe. Yeah, it looks cool. Oh, I'm using, oh, I can put it on the GoPro. I'm gonna say I'm using my camera, but I do have the GoPro right here. Slide in, boom. It's perfect. Actually, let me take this off. See, so I think that's gonna be all right. And let's look at the book. Quick start. Blah, 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 yakety schmackety. Oh yeah, you get the Lume app so you control the colors and the softness and the warmness. They have accessories you can buy, yada, yada, yada. So, it doesn't really say. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take it like this, and we're gonna see if we can force it on. Okay, I was able to get it. So, they say in the video, what you have to do, you have to locate the curve at the bottom and align it with the bottom of this one. And then add a little bit of pressure. A little bit of pressure. And there you go. There you have it. Now, put on your gels. And light up the sky. 1, 2, 3. And the light's on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's nighttime. Why not do a real-time test? So I'm gonna turn off my Nikon. I'm gonna go outside. All right, so it's a little cold out. This light is a little bright in my eye too. I did put the gel on. I tried the warming, and now this is the what's this one called again? This is the diffusion one that I got in there now. That light kicked on. I'm trying to do it without any lights so I can get a good feel. Okay, put the diffuser back in. Let's see, put it up a notch and put it higher. It is still bright in the face, but I think you can see me pretty well. I don't know if you can see everything else out here. See the car, right? Can't see too far in the distance. Let me try one more. I think this is the highest here. So everything in close range, I think you can see pretty well. This is recording in 2.7K. That's I have the max mod on. So it's kind of bright. Let me see if I put the warming gel on, if it'll dim it down a little bit. No, it just gives it a more orangey look. But like I said, looking at it, I can see myself on the screen, but it's still kind of bright. So, but it works. If I dim it down a little bit, I think this is good for me. Like, this is not hurtful on the eyes. I can even take off the warming one. Oh, that light might be giving an assist. Let me walk over here. Make sure there's no raccoons. Okay, so no animals out here. Yeah, so we're good. Wait, No animals out here. Okay, so we're good. Put it far away from me and disappear. Turn it up. 4. All right, so it's like 20 degrees out here, so I think this is enough of a test for now. I'm going back inside, see what it looks like without the glare of light in my eyes. But it is a good help for nighttime. So now we know the range. Definitely inside it's really bright, but maybe because the walls are white. But this right here, this looks good to me. So let's go inside, see what we got. All right, so there we go with the new setup right there. So got the mic, which is actually also right now still attached to my chest. Got the Lume Cube, got the GoPro with the medium mod. Took off the foam for the shotgun because don't need it right now. And I got the max mod lens.